I start recording late. Joshua come late and I dive straight into it. I was studying wunna, but I didn't really have time studying wunna. So we did our English, we did continuous tense. That you can have that present, past, or future. We need to work on that some more. That was new to him. And now we're looking with the fractions. Proper, improper, or mixed fractions. Getting to understand the different types. Okay, so that's taking a bit of what I should say. Going over. Right? Reinforcement. Yeah, but he's gonna get it. Alright. So with the mixed numbers, Joshua, remember we said a mixed number would be a whole number next to a fraction. Let's say if you get a can of mixed nuts. You have some almonds, some cashews, some peanuts. You don't just have almonds alone or peanuts alone. You have all kind of different things in there. All right? So when you see mix, you will just see a fraction alone. You will see it looking a bit different. You will see a number all by itself to the side, and then you will see the fraction. When you see it look like that, and you tell yourself, well, this looks different. This doesn't look like fraction alone. You will know that is the mixed number. Okay? All right, the next one we're doing 6 over 5. So is number 6 bigger than number 5? Which is the bigger number, 6 or 5?
6.
Very good. So remember what Auntie was telling you. The normal way, you would try to keep the smaller thing to the top and the bigger one to the bottom, that you would get it to balance easily. When you take the big number now and put to the top, the small one is to the bottom, it might fall. It might topple and fall because poor number 5. 6 is not much bigger than number 5, but this number 5 is not very strong. So poor number 5 there, he can't manage to keep up with number 6. He's barely holding on. He is going to fall down very soon. So is this looking like something proper? Remember what Auntie told you. When we hear the word proper, we are thinking to ourselves, normal, looking good, looking correct, I like it, looking nice. When we think about improper, we are saying something is wrong here. This doesn't look like this is going to work out. Something doesn't look balanced here. It looks strange. Right? And already we talk about when we say mix, we know it's a combination. So in this case, you would say 6 over 5 is looking normal, or it's looking like it's not too balanced. So it's looking to you. Remember, when we see the big number is to the top, the small number is to the bottom, we can close our eyes and try to visualize it, try to imagine. The heavier thing, the heavier person or the heavier thing is to the top. The lighter one is to the bottom. The one at the bottom is getting very tired because the bigger part is to the top. And it might soon fall down. Does that sound like something proper? When we hear the word proper, these are things that we do to try to help us understand and remember, Joshua. When we hear the word proper, I'm saying everything is right. Everything